Hi, Savannah. How are you today?
Hi, Pavan. I'm not bad, thanks. And you?
I'm okay. May I ask you some questions?
Why not?
Where are you from?
I'm from Middle Kiri province in Cambodia.
About your house. How many rooms are there in your house? What are they?
There are 5 rooms in my house, such as a living room, a kitchen, and 3 bedrooms.
What's your favorite room in your house? Why?
My favorite room in my house is my kitchen, because it's a special place in my house and we always sit together there to help my mom cook. We can wash the fish, meat, vegetables, and sometimes we can cook also. When we cook already, we can have meal together there. There are a lot of activities to do there, and there is a good memory for us too.
Oh, interesting. Could you tell me about your kitchen?
Certainly. There are lots of things in my kitchen, such as some plates, some bowls, some spoons, some forks, some chopsticks, some knives, some pans, some chairs, a big table, a frying pan, a saucepan, a fridge, a dishwasher, a cooker, an oven, some grocery, some salt, some sugar, etc.
Nice to talk with you, but it's time to go now. Bye.
Me too. See you when you see me. Bye. Thank you for watching channel Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.